What's up, guys? Enchanted Entities. I drove by this beautiful tree and I wanted you guys to see this. This is so sick. Hold on. If y'all thought I was kidding, check this out. Oh my goodness. Oh, amazing. Don't get no better than that. Look at this thing. Beautiful. Wow. I hope you guys are enjoying this because honestly, I love this tree. This is beautiful. I mean, I know you guys can agree, huh? Look at this thing. Wow. Looks like it should be in a Harry Potter movie. It's a Harry Potter tree. It's that talking tree. Yes, Enchanted Entities out. Subscribe.